Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dears. Today, physics. The topic is here that we will discuss inertia. Some examples of inertia are quoted here. For the explanation of the topic inertia, in this video clip, the player of football fell down due to inertia. It is the neck of giraffe bent down due to inertia. And in the yes, due to inertia falling heavily. Yes, it is inertia. It is another example of inertia. Now we define inertia as inertia of a body is the property due to which it resists any change in its state of rest or motion. Examples are here. When a football player strikes with the legs of the other player, he falls down due to inertia of its body. When a bus suddenly starts moving, a passenger in the bus falls behind due to the inertia of its body. In this example, when driver applies brakes heavily, the passenger inside the bus falls ahead due to the inertia of its body. Another example is a coin on the cardboard and cardboard is placed on the glass. When cardboard is pushed or pulled by a force, the coin falls inside the glass due to the inertia. It is also the example of inertia. Another example is falling of fruits from trees. When heavy wind blows, the fruits fall down from the trees due to the inertia. Here, apples are falling down due to inertia. Goodbye. See you again. Allah Hafiz.